Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna show you how to change the oil for the 2019 Mercedes-Benz the S560 twin turbo from 2018 to 2022. And the oil you're gonna using for this car, this is CO, no dipstick, no nothing. So the oil you're gonna using for this car, we're using 0W40 full synthetic European oil. Stay with me guys, I'll show you everything. Okay guys, so first thing you do for change the oil in this car, open the screws over here with number 8 millimeters for all the skip plate. It's pretty much is a small skip plate for this car. Stay with me guys, I'll show you how to change the oil. So we're gonna use T40 with the ratchets and open it. Okay. Now to change the oil filter, you have to use number 1516 sockets with the big ratchets. And the oil filter, I'll show you the oil filter is located. The oil filter is over here. If you can see it, right there. This one here. So okay guys, this is the oil filter. This is the new one. Okay. Put the plastic on the sides. And for the gasket up here, what you should do, get a towel like that and a press to get the gasket out and replace it with the new one. a new one. Put some oil on it. I have some oil on my hand, so put some oil in the gasket, lubricate it, then add it. After that, put it back.
Dad?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Clean everything good back. So guys, after we changed the oil, during the oil, change the oil filter. Now we have to add in oil. So we got 040 European metal. So the formula for this oil is special to European cars, and it's good for Mercedes. Especially this one has a twin turbo. So this car takes 9 quarts and a half. 9 quarts and a half. Half quart stay there, so 9 quarts and a half. And we will do now, closing the cap. We're done. Now we have to start in the car. Okay guys, it's time to reset the lights for the Mercedes from 2018 until 2021 or 22. So we have to do only one click on this side here. And you gotta see this mileage like that. You don't want that, so you have to unscrew it, and you have to be like that. And the second thing we do, you have to press this one here for 3 seconds, and you hold the second button like that. Hold this after 3 seconds, and hold this one, and you got this one like that. So what we have to do, we come into this one here, and you keep scrolling until you go to the last one, and you say yes. What we have to do now, you have to press the start button, but no start, just the push. What we have to do now, just go to with the same thing like that, go to full service and press yes, and go all the way down and confirm and say yes, confirm. Here we go, it's done. The fluid, the oil change gets reset. And it's done. Go back to the main menu. What you have to do, turn it off, and you're done. Started the car. There you go, guys, done. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to see more tricks.